marine fish and whales gather here simultaneously. The reason they travel thousands of miles to reach this place is actually hiding beneath the waves. There, billions of capelin can be found. Each female fish carries nearly 20,000 eggs. They must spawn on the beach in what is essentially a suicidal breeding method. Hungry humpback whales take a bite, swallowing thousands of capelin at once. Once they escape the whale's hunting range, the capelin are surrounded by thousands of sea lions. All the capelin quickly form a massive ball, tightly protecting the females at the center. The outer layer of the fishball consists of male capelin, so even when attacked, it's mostly the males that get eaten. As the school is gradually pushed towards shallow water, thousands of seabirds dive down toward the capelin. The fish surviving underwater rush towards shore. While the seagulls are busy eating the male fish, the females rapidly spawn in the brief window of about 10 seconds. Then, the male fish scramble to fertilize the eggs before being eaten by seagulls. After the females complete spawning, most are washed back to